secure it and help it to be a little bit tighter bun. So we're going to start off. I'm going to start off with a half bun. Today I've got a beautiful headband on. I'm not big on wearing headbands, but I think they look really cool when they're combined with other products that we have. So, buns are alive, yes. I wear my hair in a bun almost every single day, especially in the warmer months. I've got super long hair. I'm going to turn around and let you see how long my hair it is. It's almost down to my, well, it may be down to my honey. It's right there. So, it is very long. It's curly. It's thick. Believe it or not, when I was a youngster and a teenager and even up into college, I had straight, thin, stringy hair, and somehow or the other, God gave me these curls, and I love them. They have been a challenge, but I have learned to take care of them thanks to a program that I'll talk to you a little bit later about curly hair. So first of all, I'm going to show you the half bun. So I've separated out part of my hair because it's curly, and when you try to separate it out, it can be a challenge. So I'll take half of it, and I'm going to pull it back like so. And I'm going to start out with some sticks. And since this is a half bun, I'm going to use some of our shorter sticks. And I'm going to be giving away a pair of sticks today. So these are some of our medium length sticks with a little blue stone on them. They're beautiful. You can wear them alone. You can wear them with one of our leathers. So I'm going to turn on here and show you how I twist. So I twist first. And then as I'm twisting, I'm going to go around. So I'm going to keep twisting as I go around. And then as I get to this last little bit of hair, I'm going to make sure it goes underneath. Hopefully y'all can see that. Turn around. And then I'm going to take the sticks, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it and catch part of this hair that's really good and attached. Then I'm going to go to my scalp, turn, and go through. So there's one stick. That'll hold it just fine. But if you like to be symmetrical like I do, you can take another one, catch part of that hair, go to the scalp, and then go through like that. That is not going anywhere. It will stay all day long. It's super comfortable. And it just has a little bit of bling. It's way better than those pencils or just plain old chopsticks. It gives some personality to your hair. So anyway, that is the sticks in the half bun. So I'm going to take those out real quick. And I'm going to show you some of our beautiful U-pins. These are some little turtles. They're really cute. I don't know if my phone will focus on that very well, but this is a little turtle U-pin. You use them just like you use the sticks. So I'll turn around and show you. You're going to catch part of that hair, go through, and let it ride along your scalp. Notice that we're making sure that this curve goes with the head. So on this side, we're going to catch part of that hair, go to the scalp, turn, and go in. And that second one makes it super tight. So that adds just a little bit of bling on each side. You can see that. It's not a lot, it's just a little bit, but it's a lot of fun, and they work really great, and it's super fast, super easy. So, then I'm going to show you a U-pin. So, where did my U-pin go? So, here is just a plain U-pin. This would be a U-pin that is called the Swerve, and this is if you don't want anything to show. So, this basically is going to disappear into your hair, hopefully. So, you're going to take that, and I do it at the top, you can do it on the side. But I did on the top, catch part of that hair that's good and attached, go to the scalp, and slide through. And so then my bottom hair will cover up the ends. And so that's super, shake that, you can tell it's not going anywhere. Those are really comfortable, really fast, and stay all day long. I'll pop that out of there. And then the last thing I'm going to show you is this Flexi. And so I'm going to talk a little bit about that in a second. This Flexi right here. This is one that I made myself. I'm not doing a very good at showing y'all that. I got to make this Flexi myself at a regional training. So all people who sign up as Little Rogues consultants have the opportunity to go to a regional training. And at that regional training, you get to pick your beads, you get to pick your centerpiece, you get to design your own Flexi. And then on top of that, it is entered into a contest called a Flexi Survivor Challenge. And I hope my Flexi makes it into that. We'll see. But they'll vote on it, and the last however many the company decides will actually go into production. Hi, Tracy. Tricia, I'm not sure if I'm saying that right. Thank you. Thank you, Shay. So I'm going to turn around, and so this is my large Flexi and my bun right here. And I just love this Flexi. So, really proud of that one since I got to make it myself. Talking about sizing just for a little bit, my hair, you see how long my hair is. So, I wear a large in my half bun. But somebody who has thinner hair or somebody who has shorter hair is not going to have as big of a bun in their half up. They might be a mini. They might be an extra small, a small, medium, anywhere in there. So I have rarely seen buns, half buns bigger than an extra large. That's like a super, super, super thick hair. So anyway, hi Sonia. So that is the half bun. Does anyone have any questions? I'll stop real quick. Does anybody have any questions about the half bun? We'll see if anybody has any questions about that. I know it's a little delayed, so I'll wait just a minute. I'll go ahead and take this down. Be ready for the next one. Okay, so we're just going to move on, and I'll try to look and see if we have some questions as we go along. So, I'm going to move on to the full bun. I do know, I'm not going to do the two buns on the side, the Princess Leia style, but I know lots of people can pull that off. I can't. But the Flexis will work great for that. The swerves will work. The U-pins, all of our products will work great for that as well. And so if you like to have the two buns on the sides, they will work for you as well. So I'm going to do the big bun now. And I am going to put in, I'm going to show you this Flexi. This is called Arwen. And I've had this Flexi for, I'm thinking, almost 4 years. And this is my favorite Flexi. And so I wear it almost every day. I wear it when I'm working in the yard. I wear it when I'm cooking. I wear it when I'm swimming. I have just worn it in just lots of different situations. And almost every day. It is still in one piece. It's still flexible. It's not missing any of its beads or its stones. So our products are definitely made to last. They also come with a 1-year warranty, just in case, because things happen. So I'm going to turn around and I'm going to show you the full bun. I'm going to pull my hair up while I'm looking forward first. So that's going to slide my headband. I'm going to take that out for the moment. That's just strange, and it'll take me a minute to pull that out because I had it through several layers of hair. So hold on just a second. So it's just got one little piece that is still okay. So that way I can get my bun up higher. I like my bun to be high, but you can have it low. You can have it on top of your head. I may try that. We'll see. I've never done that before. So I'm going to take it high ponytail. That's where I have it. And then I'm going to take it and I'm going to start twisting. And I do it, you can do it loose if you've got curly hair. If you've got straighter hair, you'll probably have to do it a little tighter. And you keep going around, keep twisting as you go around. And then these ends, make sure you tuck them underneath towards the center of the bun. And so I'm going to use one of our wooden sticks. This is, it's called Point, I think. I'm not sure what this one's called. Christy, tell them what this one's called. It's a really pretty, just wooden, really rustic looking stick. You pull it in and you catch part of your hair, go to the scalp, and then I like to put this one at an angle because I just want to wear one of these. And so that's not going anywhere. It's super comfortable. It'll stay all day long. Rugged. Yeah, it's a rugged point or swerve. It may be the swerve. Can't remember. So, oh, and I shouldn't have it down. I don't want to watch me put my hair up and down a gazillion times. I don't guess. So that was the stick. You could use a pair of the decorative sticks as well. I'm going to show you with a swerve that has some beautiful pearls on it. Do you see that? Maybe you can see that. Gorgeous pearls and little clear beads. So when you put that in, you can do it up top, you can do it off to the side. You're going to catch part of your hair that's getting attached and then slide it through. And then that part's going to stick out and just be a decoration, and that's super comfortable, going to stay, and it adds a little bit of bling to your hair. So there's that one. Another one I was going to show you is our leathers. They come in cream, a beige color, they come in a camel color like this, and they come in black. They also come in a lot of other colors: purple, yellow, orange, maroon. I don't have any of those on hand, but anyway, I wanted to show you this one in my hair, and I'm going to show you how to make it work. This one really isn't quite big enough for my hair, but I can make it work, so I'm going to show you how to do that. So I'm going to take my stick again, and I'm going to put this around my hair, just center it, like so. Then when I go in, instead of trying to come in over here at this part of my hair, I'm going to go in right there, and I'm going to kind of go in at an angle and try to get to the center of the bun against my scalp, and then work it back out. And so that is a leather and a stick and a bun. Those are great for every day. Some people like to dress up with these. Some people like this as every day. Just depends on your style. Those rugged sticks also come in, I know this one's called Point. There's one called Paddle. They come in walnut and in the maple colors. Let's see, what else? We also have these braided leathers. This one's really pretty. There's a red one called Banded Bolos. This one's called Nina. It's got a turquoise stone in it. And this is, I think it's called Nut. So anyway, there are a bunch of different varieties of these. I'll show you my hair with that as well. This one I'm going to use so it will show up just a little bit. It also is not quite big enough for my hair. There is a bigger size than this, but I'm out of them right now. So I'm going to center that on my hair. And I'm going to be using a longer stick for this. So I'm going to just center that on my bun best I can. And I'm going to use this little bead angle. I should show that to you. It's a really cute little bumblebee. I like the dangles on the sticks. I like the dangles on the Flexis too, so I'm going to do the same thing. Same thing, just try to get to the bottom of the bun at the very center, and then force it out on the other side. So that's just another look. Different style of Flexi. Let's see, what else can I show you? I did that. So I'm going to show you one of my other favorite Flexis, and it is called Adora. It's absolutely stunning, and it's one I like to wear for more dressy stuff. So I'll put that one in and show it to you. Just folds over the bun and stays like that. It's going to stay. It's really comfortable. So something I wanted to mention to you now is there are some things that hostesses get as little perks. Thank you. And one of the perks with hostesses is you get to get access to some products that not the general public gets to have access to. And so one of these is these earrings, and there's a necklace. And some of these are available, but some are not. There's also some bobby pins. I know those are available on the website. And if you wanted to add to your hair, if you had little flyaways, you could stick some bobby pins in here and there if you wanted to. And so the bobby pins, I don't know if when y'all were doing bobby pins yesterday, these things are super woman strong. And so when I put them in, I separate them out, you know, where they're a little bit like that. Put them in, and then I usually try to hide them in my hair a little bit. So they're just clipped in really at the top part or the bottom part if you're going up. Then when you go to take them out, since they are Superwoman strong, you want to be careful taking them out so they don't rip your hair. So I put my fingers on either side of the bobby pin and hold my hair down really securely. And then I pull that bobby pin out like that. So that way it takes care of my hair and I'm not pulling it out. So, one more thing. I didn't show you the U-pins in my big, humongous bun. So, these are, can't remember the name of these, but these have some really beautiful blue, turquoise, clear stones on them. And so, I'll show you on this side. We're going to slide that in and let it ride along the scalp and go in. And so it's really pretty on that side, and they come in pairs. So here's the other side. Hopefully I'm not getting where y'all can't see this. So that's a really pretty look. Just holds that hair in place. I should take this other bobby pin out because that doesn't really match. The sticks, you can buy them separately. You can buy them in pairs. This is one of the combinations I came across today that I thought was just really pretty. They're two different color woods, which does not bother me at all. But I just thought this little tiger eye went really good with this bead. So if you wanted to combine two different sticks in your hairstyle, I think that would be perfectly fine. So anybody have any questions before I draw for the door prize for the giveaway?